Hello, happy new week. As usual, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're tuning in from. Anyways, OG, how's it going? What's popping? Bad boy, you there?
Well, I told you to start so that you know this
Oh, okay,
background.
okay, no pressure. Anyways, okay, let me just get right into it then. No problem. Share. Okay, perfect. So interesting. Yeah, this was the only trade I took last week and just wow. Wow, indeed. Now come back to that. USD card. Okay, actually never triggered the alert, but doesn't matter. We move. I don't know if I should still be interested in you. Here's the card. Phew, it's not bad. Still in an uptrend, but except I'll still wait for this pullback. But let me just take it off first. Your AUD, I was looking to buy if you broke above here. That didn't happen, and you broke below instead. And it's actually lining up for a very beautiful sell. Oh, beautiful cells. I like this area here. Like it's can even be like a left head, right shoulder, with us at the neckline. Oh, let me see. Hmm. I guess the small area. So it has it like on the weekly. If anything, just a pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback. And sell. Oh, why are you? Yeah. Good. Yeah, good. I wanted to. Whoa. Are you serious? Wow. So good. I wanted to buy gold last week, but I think I was still sleeping when it went up, and the pullback happened, I just wasn't active anymore. So crazy. Wow. And this was just a short trade, and it went this high. Crazy move. Hmm. Am I interested in gold still? Let me see. Since I didn't take this, let me delete. Delete. Hmm. What are the odds? Maybe we can fill up this week. Daily. Hmm. Actually, I still like the buys though. Still like the buys. Still like the buys. Maybe a little pullback to this area. Just yeah. Actually, I still like the buys. I like to see what we can do. Yeah, just yeah, just a little pullback. Nothing too serious. You did up CHFJPY. I was looking for sales. Yeah, this never happened, yes? No, I don't yeah. So yeah, if this week, if this breaks below this my AOI, then I'm still interested in this then. I'm still interested. GBP NZD, I wanted to buy you markets when the market open from Monday, the market sold, then literally did the same move up and down. If it can break above and have the EME, we test the EME, I'm interested, so I'll just take it up. USD CHF. Ooh, Wow. Okay. Got this by. Nice. Really very deep, but whoosh. This pullback happened this week. I'll just let this one go. Maybe next week. If I can make this pullback and next week I'll be interested in the buys. ADJPY. Oh, this ADJPY low key is giving trade to just look for a counter position. Well, I'll leave you. NZD USD. Mm-hmm. 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 NZD USD. Mm. Bye bye. Yeah. Ah, good. Actually, hey, the card. We're literally back to this zone again. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. I like this. I think this would be my top pair for the week. Yeah, I love this. Hey, the card. So, actually, ADCHF. That's my pair. When you make that pullback, I'll come back to you in the future. No, so it's waiting for you. Then I think that's here. Simple work. Okay. DVD card by the JPY. Ooh, 80 USD. I was making a very slow pullback. Hmm. Which actually you can find an entry. Can find an entry around this area. Let's see anything on this left. Start back at 2023, no point. I'm adjusting you. Do like this. Mhm, mhm. Yeah, actually, this is not bad. This is not bad. No, no, this is neat. This is neat. US 30. What was I looking for then? Oh, I wanted to sell you then. I've been doing something though. Hmm. No, let's leave it for this week. GBPCHF, Euro USD. Don't even know what happened to EU. That's just been hanging around here since. Mhm. EU, GBP, UJ, EJ, GJ. Ah, AD and ZD. Yeah, back here. So, nice pullback. Good AOI. Start back to 2013 and makes no sense. If anything, look for yourself from here. So, yeah, 100, I'll be back to you. Hmm. 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 I think these pairs, here, now it's 100 and US 30, they are their all-time high, yeah. Hmm. I think this pair, I'll just keep an eye on it. I like the position of the market at the moment. Like a double line. Still like head and shoulder, head and shoulder. Daily. It's not looking bad actually. Not looking bad. If I can get a pull work and we are those. I'll just keep an eye on it. I don't know if I want to trade it, but I'll keep an eye on it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me just arrange what I'll be looking at. The CHF now. Maybe Japan. No. GU. No longer interested in US account to counter trade you, but I don't think I'm interested in you anymore. Delete. This will take a while. So AD card. I think I have a lot of AD pairs. AD NCT, AD USD, gold. This will take a while. So UAD. If it breaks above, there are two straight. So UAD, CHF, JPY. Hmm. It's a bit. 100. The last one, UAD, GN, gold. Okay, yeah. So basically, my top pairs are just this four. Yeah, AD card, AUD, NZD, AUD, USD, and gold. For this GBP NZD, more like I'll be waiting for like daily closure. I want to see that market breaks above this high, or maybe it breaks below here and just makes a pullback maybe to this same area. Then I'll be interested. Why for UAUD? I'll be waiting for a pullback to sell, or similar to GBP NZD. If it breaks above, then I'll just buy it. Then NZD, I'm sorry, not 100. Basically, I'm just going to play the long game because I don't know how many days it would take to get to this area. If it took 3 days to get here, I'm not saying it take 3 days to get here too. So it can just be one candle that will just from here and whew. So it depends on how market opens and how market closes within the week. Then I'll know if I'll be interested in that 100. Well, for CHF JPY, it's actually there, but I'm kind of like 50-50. I'm not really feeling it like that. But depending on how market opens, but I'm not taking any of these top four pairs, then maybe I might look at this CHF JPY. But these are all for me from the week for the week. I'll stop sharing my
What are
screen.
you doing with the AUD card?
Selling. I mean, ID card, right? Yeah, selling, yeah.
Mhm.
You have it on your watch list.
I think, yeah.
Let me stop sharing. Don't worry. You can share your screen.
So, I think you call it for me. Your mama's phone is uploaded. Then, no. Hmm.
Ouch.
Yeah, where are you?
You remember now too.
Hmm. What time frame are we on? Okay, for yeah, EU. Okay, so for EU, I'm waiting for a pullback. Um, so mm, GU, same thing, waiting for a pullback, so AUD card, waiting for a closure below. So I don't have, that's what I was asking for this one. What's your zone, or like where do you intend selling from?
Basically, it's the
A
same
lot.
thing with you because this is where the market is at currently. So you're like I think you want to sell after this your line on at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's something it's similar actually. Because you know me, I'm using box, so as I say, it's similar. So the
So do you have
AOI
a lot?
I have here is around like if it breaks below 98384.
98384. Well, yeah, that's perfect now. So
It's the same thing.
set,
Yeah, exactly.
set alerts now.
I've done that already.
Oh, okay, nice. I better so drop in group when the alert goes off so that me I can remember alert again.
No
Uh,
pressure.
for gold, for gold, I'm kind of waiting for price to come back to this place. If I can see a double top, then I'll sell. If not, if it blows past, then I'll just wait. But when in a downtrend, I would like to be selling more than buying for gold. Um, USD card, USD card. Um, yeah, I had to close out in profit. Because I couldn't hold like over the weekend. So I'm just be observing to see what happens to this ones. I'm just looking at them. This uptrend. Don't know if it just so yeah. FS, EU, GU, AUD card, gold. So those four. Those are what I'll be looking for this week.
Yeah, at least we have like two pairs that are similar. Although for gold,
And
I'm
what's the
looking
second
at
pair?
the
Oh, okay,
gold,
gold.
gold, gold. I'm looking to buy though,
Hmm. Hmm.
but obviously that is if it gets the particular area, depending on what it does. I'm looking to buy. Or with gold, you can do both ways if you, depending on how market opens and how market closes. So it all depends.
Okay.
But still to follow the trend at the end of the day.
Yep. Makes sense. Mm, Makes sense. Let me see this one. Mm,
So AUD card, and let me set an alert for AUD NZD as well.
Nada. What's that? 2025.
Set an
No.
alert for AUD NZD.
It's just returning
Then
to
CHF JPY. I don't know why I kind of like where the market is at, but I don't just want to take it as one of my top pairs.
this will be all these songs.
Sorry, Gaga, give me a moment. Just
Yeah.
1 minute. Okay, I'm back now. So yeah, so that is it for me, and I guess that's it from you as well. So as usual, have a positive week, a blessed week, a blue week. At least I'm kind of excited about this week because okay, that's personal stuff or private stuff anyways. Because I think I'll have more time to myself. Yesterday I did something I won't do normally. Yeah. You know me, I don't like water, so I was in the lake. I was in the lake.
Mhm.
I was just in a place where I'm like, if I fall inside this water, it's all over. But I was impressed that I wasn't actually scared of water anymore. I don't know. I didn't feel scared as before. I
Mm,
was just there. I'm like, okay. And I just
yeah.
went there to meditate, to think about my life,
That's very good.
to just relax, Yeah, it was actually refreshing, I can't lie. You know that stuff we do in Pleasure Park now, that one that you no, is it cycle? Yeah, you cycle, it's not paddle. That you cycle, that one that we had in Pleasure Park.
My brother, I'm gonna end this meeting first and we'll talk with this thing.
Okay, then no pressure. Anyways, see you over the week. I think on Wednesday and see you on Sunday as usual. Have a great week, my guy. Blue week.
You too, man.